You made some passing remarks earlier in satsang. You said that the entire universe is like a speck in.
Yes.
Uh, so how does it feel? Can you explain it further?
Let's see. These are the things where language fails us usually. But if you check right now, and you sense the presence of your being, and also get a sense that which is aware of even this being, you find that this recognition is beyond the realm of time and space. This awareness, you instantly come to this seeing of yourself as timeless, as spaceless. Just to put it simply, if you were to say, what is the approximate age of this awareness that you are discovering? It cannot have an age. That which has no attributes is the timeless. You see? You find what are the dimensions of this awareness? You find that awareness just is, but it is dimensionless. You see? Then when you contrast this against this play of beingness and the appearance of this phenomenal realm, you start to find that even this seemingly infinite being, as opposed to this no thing, is at best a firefly glittering in the dark. You see? So these insights will be experiential. And you will find that this beingness. Now, also we must be a bit careful when we say these kind of things, which is that sometimes it can be that to prove within this realm that I have really come to the absolute discovery, and sometimes we make these kind of statements, you see? But the fact is that they can be spoken only from such a place of pure insight. Speaking from the perspective of awareness, because in the light of this realm, this being that we are talking just about, just being a speck, actually is the God of this realm, is the light and the screen of this realm. You see? But even that, compared to your ultimate reality, is just another coming and going. The Lord of this universe is a speck within you, and it dissolves back within you. So let these words come from your own discovery, rather than me giving you more concepts about this.